Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking account basics, verify KYC, and enable 2FA so access risks are minimal. Next, define a concrete daily and per trade risk limit. For example, 1% per trade of your total equity. This prevents emotional overreach. Once done, allocate capital across spot, isolated margin, and cross derivatives with fixed percentages so you never overexpose one instrument. Make sure to record those numbers. They become the guardrails that guide every position size calculation you make on Bybit. You calculate position size by plugging your risk percent, stop loss distance, and entry into a position size tool. This is the math that protects capital, so trust it. Then place limit entries where possible and use OCO or conditional orders to set both stop loss and take profit in one go. This automates discipline. Once done, choose leverage with care for volatile trades. Cut leverage to the 1x to 10x band, because leverage multiplies both reward and drawdown, and that changes your required. You monitor positions constantly. Watch P/L, margin ratio, and the liquidation price. These numbers tell you how fragile a trade is. If a trade moves in your favor, scale out partial size and tighten stops toward break-even to lock gains. This converts winners into capital preservation. If margin call risk appears, act calmly, reduce position size, or add collateral rather than impulse doubling. Finally, if orders fail to fill or slippage spikes, pause trading and reassess execution rules before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.